The new incredible and overwhelming images of an unknown planet Mars. Be affectionately welcome to this new documentary. If it is the first time, I introduce myself. I am the Engineer Hiddekel Morrison, and I appreciate you decide to see this educational content, where we will take a wonderful tour of the red planet and the revealing characteristics of its surface. Follow me until the end. From the perspective of an engineer. Let's start. An unknown planet Mars is the one that has been revealed by the new images that we will see first from an aerial angle, with the most detailed and still unknown taken by the helicopter called Ingenuity has captured in a year operating on Mars, where it has carried 25 flights through the Martian sky. Since April 19, 2021, when it became the first human artifact to perform a powered flight on another planet, including takeoff from the surface and landing. These are some of the aerial shots taken by the Ingenuity helicopter, which in principle was only scheduled to carry out 5 flights to avoid interfering with the scientific mission of the rover Perseverance Explorer robot. But the Ingenuity helicopter has defied all expectations and not only successfully completed its initial flights, but has already flown an incredible 25 over the Martian surface. It has not only been the Ingenuity that has achieved unknown images, since images of any area of the planet Mars had never been achieved at the height at which the helicopter has been able to do so. There are also unknown images of the red planet from satellites and from the surface, which are unknown areas, which we will see next. But first, I ask you to support us by liking this video, sharing this video with your contacts, and subscribing to this channel, turning on notifications, so with your support, we can continue to frequently generate interesting documentaries on aerospace technology and the universe. Thank you for contributing to the creation of educational content. I think it would be great to be born on Earth and die on Mars. I just hope it's not at the point of impact. Elon Musk, aerospace entrepreneur. This image that reveals an unknown region of a crater on the planet Mars, was taken by the powerful camera of the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA. In this shot we can see signs of erosion, as well as other active processes such as landslides and dust storms, along with a striking formation in the center made up of dry ice, not liquid water, as it could give the impression of being water. When what we are really seeing is frozen carbon dioxide, commonly called dry ice, a type of formation that does not exist naturally on our planet Earth, but is abundant on Mars. Toasting in the shots that are taken from orbit, about 400 kilometers away, formations like this one that we appreciate, which undoubtedly generate many interpretations. The orbiter is so powerful and of such high resolution that scientists can see objects up to a meter in size. It is no coincidence that the iconic Ingenuity helicopter could be seen from orbit on February 26, 2022 in the south of a Martian region which has been given the name of Sita, the first unknown zone on Mars from which the Ingenuity helicopter took operational assistance images for the movement of the Perseverance Rover robot explorer, as we can see in these images. These images provided by the Ingenuity helicopter have allowed scientists to appreciate the diversity of minerals in that region, which are known as igneous minerals, which are those solidified from lava or magma, very typical of that region, which in this we see another shot from the cameras of the rover Perseverance Explorer robot. In this unknown zone there are also olivine minerals, a group of rock constituent minerals, considered the most important minerals in the classification of igneous rocks. There are also pyroxenes, an important group of silicates that are part of many igneous and metamorphic rocks. It is even understood that there are pyroxene poor in calcium in green and pyroxene rich in calcium is in blue. Let's enjoy these new sequences of panoramic images of that Martian region of the Jezero crater, which although in the planet's formation phase its base is minerals derived from lava or magma. Once the planet cooled, scientific research establishes that an impact in that region generated the crater Jezero, at a time when water was abundant on the planet Mars, so the crater became a lake, which later dried up and is today in that area, in which these images of unknown areas of Mars have been taken. Let us enjoy and contemplate in silence. I await your opinions in the comments of this video. As usual, we appreciate you informing us. It is a real pleasure to be able to provide you with the main news, trends and developments about the most important aspects of aerospace technology and the universe, from the perspective of an engineer. I am the Engineer Hiddekel Morrison, and I invite you to meet again in a future installment.